Good afternoon. I am Coach Williams, and today we'll be doing a fitness activity. The words that you will see, that is the standard that we'll be going over. And so, in our fitness, in our activity today, it will consist of cards. Just to make sure, a reminder: when you see an ace represents 1. So whenever you see the suit with an ace on it, with an A, that represents the number 1. So this is the activity that we'll be doing. It is called mental fitness. So what you have is you have 2 piles. Each pile consists of 10 cards. And so what you will do is you will randomly select the top on the card on the top. You will flip it over on both sides. And if you are in kindergarten through 1st grade, what you will do, you will add it up. So you can either count or you can do it mentally. So if I decide to count, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I will go over here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So as a kindergarten or 1st grader, you will count each heart that you see. Once you add it up, if you come up with the correct one, then you will go over and you will put these 2 to the side, and then you will go over to the next 2. Now, if you happen to get them wrong, you have to do an exercise. So let's just say what we have right here, we have 2 plus 2. If I happen to get it wrong and I say 5, for example, I have to do an exercise. It can be a favorite exercise. So what I will do, my favorite exercise is push-ups. So I will do 5 push-ups. All right, my arms will be apart, shoulder width apart, and my bottom and my back will be straight. And I will count and do 5 push-ups. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you have problems with doing 5 push-ups, you can modify it. How you do a modified push-up is you will start on your knees, you will lean down, and instead of having your knees up, you will keep them on the floor, and you will do your push-ups right. You will go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, once you do your 5 push-ups, you will go over and flip them over again. Now, the number is 6 and 5, so if I already mentally know it, I will say 11. If I don't know it, I will simply count how many hearts that I see. Now, if you are in 3rd and 5th grade, I would challenge you to do this with your timetable. So, if you flip it over and it's the same thing, if I'm doing multiplication, it would be 30. So also, you can also do this by yourself or with a partner. So this is what it will be with a partner. So me and Coach T are going to demonstrate the activity, how it would be if somebody else was with you. All right, so back to mental fitness. This is how you play with 2 people. So who you have right here, Coach Williams, Coach T. So what we'll do is when we say go, we will flip the card over. Now, if you're in kindergarten through 1st grade, you will be doing addition. If you are 3rd through 5th, you will be doing multiplication. The first person to say the answer correctly is the person that does not have to do the push-up. So whoever gets it wrong has to do the push-up. Ready? Go. 13.
Ah!
Yeah, here we go. So being that I got it right, that was addition. Coach he owed me my push-up. 3, just to make sure.
4, 5.
The answer was 13, so I pulled the 5 of spades, and Coach pulled the 8 of hearts.
All right, round 1 goes to Coach Williams.
All right, we'll demonstrate one more time for addition, and you can also switch it up to subtraction or, subtraction or addition. Here we go. Coach, you say it, Coach Sis, so it won't be no.
Ready, set, go.
18.
Yeah. You got this. Here we go. So since I lost, I'll do the push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Just to show y'all, our 2 cards were 10 and 8. You add those together and you get the number 18.
All right, so now this is what it will look like with multiplication. So whichever cards we pull, we're going to multiply that and see who comes up with the correct answer first. On you, Coach.
1, 2, 3, go.
18.
Ah! I was adding.
Yeah. So I pulled a 9 of diamonds. Coach pulled 2 of spades. 9 times 2 is 18. So it is a very competitive activity, but it's fun. So if you have a partner, you can simply go against a partner, or if you don't have a partner, you can have your parent at home see if you get the answer correctly. And that is the game Mental Fitness. All right, good afternoon. So this concludes our mental math fitness exercise. So this is to my students who don't have any cards at the house. What I will do is I will flip over 2 cards from each deck, and so that way you can be able to do the activity on your own. So you can either complete it as addition or multiplication. So the first 2 is 8 and a 10. Next set, 10 and 4. Next set, 4 and 5. Nine and 3. 2 and 3. 5 and 7. 8 and 7. 3 and 2. 9 and 2. And the last set, 6 and 6. And that concludes our activity.